Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's home cooking. On this episode, I want to show you how I make my so easy and so yummy gulab jamun. The ingredients are so simple and so easy. We're gonna need some condensed milk. This is store bought, granulated sugar, vegetable ghee, cardamom powder, some whole cardamom, some all-purpose flour, a bit of baking powder, and then for the sugar syrup I have my water here. So first thing first, I'm gonna begin with, I'm gonna add my sugar to my water, and then the few cardamom pods, and then I'm gonna bring this to my stove and then let this boil. When it's ready, I'm gonna show you the consistency of the sugar syrup, and then we're gonna start working on the gulab jamun dough. It's been 8 minutes since my sugar syrup is boiling, and it's time to turn the heat off and then just let this rest on a cool place, and then we're gonna go make the dough for the gulab jamun. Okay, so now it's time to make the gulab jamun dough. I already washed my hands, so because I'm gonna do this by my hand. So all I'm gonna do is mix the baking powder and the flour together. Always mix a dry ingredient first. Anything on baking, on cooking, just mix a dry ingredient first, and then I'm gonna drop my condensed milk, all of them, and my ghee. I'm just gonna leave a teeny tiny bit in the bowl, just a teeny tiny bit like this, while I'm gonna be making the dough. That will help me to from stopping it to stick to my hand. So I'm just gonna use my hand and make this until it becomes a dough. So my dough is ready. It's gonna looks like this, not perfect, not too smooth, nothing. And I like I saved this little bit of ghee. I have this in my hand, and then this will stop the gulab jamun by rolling it from sticky. So I already rolled two, very small size, not that small but not too big as well, like in between. So I'm just gonna keep doing this and using the ghee as a help for not to stick. You can use water, you can use butter, you can use oil, and then after that we will move to the frying process. So let me keep doing this, and then we'll move forward. Oil is preheated on very low heat, and now it's time to add the gulab jamun, and then let this fry. Keep turning it around so it doesn't burn one side. I'm gonna let this fry until a nice golden brown color, and I want to make sure that the middle is cooked, is fried as well. That's why the heat is gonna stay on low until the end of the fry. So let this fry on low heat, and then just make sure you keep turning it time to time until golden brown. All right, you can see the breakout from the gulab jamun as it should be. So that means it's perfect and it's almost ready to come out. Like these two is already nice in color. So I'm gonna remove 2, 3 at a time, and I want to make sure that I let the oil drop as well. And then this is going straight to my sugar syrup. Okay, so now I'm gonna remove all of them, and all of them is going to my sugar syrup, and the heat is going to be off right now. My gulab jamun is ready. Altogether I got 20 of this size right here, golden brown in color. This actually reminds me my childhood. I was not a big fan of eating gulab jamun, But and then as days goes on, as I came here abroad, and then I started to miss my Mauritian snacks, food, or anything, and now I love it. I love it. And which one is mine? This one. This one right here. Let me give this a try. And I also want to show you inside. All right, I want to give this a try. I do really want to give this a try. The cardamom. You may think that why did I put cardamom in the sugar syrup or and in the dough as well? It's because cardamom with the condensed milk, I don't know, I just can't explain. You're gonna know when you are going to make this. When you're gonna mix, at the time you're mixing the dough with the condensed milk, with the cardamom powder, you're gonna smell that cardamom. You already know what you're going to get to eat. Wow. I have no word to say. If you want this recipe in written, click the link down below, and let me know what you want to see next in my upcoming video. I will see you next time. Bye.